purl through the right loop, or a PRL. This one you are going to scoop up with your right needle. And you're going to scoop up the bump directly below the one on the needle. Come from underneath and scoop it up. Put it up onto your needle, and now you're going to have to purl this through the back loop. And then purl the stitch that you increased into. So again, scoop up the loop directly below the one on the needle, put it directly over onto your left needle, and purl it through the back loop. And that is PRL. Again, up through the loop, straight over to the left needle, purl it through the back loop.